Right now, without lifting a finger, something extraordinary is unfolding deep inside your body. Your cells harbor a built-in recycling and rejuvenation system of almost unimaginable biological sophistication. This mechanism can hunt down damaged cells, devour dysfunctional proteins, and purge decades of accumulated biological waste. It can slow the aging process, sharpen your mind, and reduce inflammation throughout your entire body all at once. Scientists were so stunned by this mechanism that its discovery earned a Nobel Prize in Physiology in 2016. And here's the most remarkable part. You were born with this system already fully installed and ready to activate. But here's the uncomfortable truth that most people trapped in a modern lifestyle desperately need to hear. The way nearly all of us eat every single day has silently switched this. The system shuts down completely. 3 meals, countless snacks, breakfast at 7 a.m., a late-night binge at 10 p.m., keeping your insulin spiked all day long. Every single time food enters your body, a powerful hormonal signal broadcasts to every cell with one unified message. And that message is this: we have abundant energy flooding in from the out, so halt all internal cleanup immediately. And so, your body's internal recycling factory sits dormant hour after hour, day after day, year after year, completely untouched. Damaged proteins begin to accumulate. Dysfunctional cellular components start piling up. Biological waste remains exactly where it landed. But here's the truth. You don't need an expensive supplement, some cutting-edge therapy, or a doctor's prescription to fix this. There exists a completely free physiological switch already hardwired into your very DNA that can reignite this entire process today. In this video, Hidden Health Science reveals the single most powerful method to flip that switch deliberately and precisely. The word autophagy comes straight from ancient Greek, and its translation is almost poetically perfect. Auto means self. Phagy means eating. Your cells are literally engineered to eat themselves under the right conditions. But before that sounds alarming, let us clarify exactly what your cells are consuming during this process. They are not breaking down healthy tissue or cannibalizing the muscle you worked so hard to build at the gym. They are targeting something remarkably specific: the cellular garbage that has been quietly accumulating inside you for years. Misfolded proteins that no longer function correctly. Damaged organelles that are producing more harm than energy. Aging cellular components that are slowing your metabolism and contributing to inflammation throughout your entire system. Think of your cells as extraordinarily sophisticated cities that generate waste products, working tirelessly around the clock without stopping. Inside each of those cellular cities are specialized disposal units called lysosomes. Tiny but remarkably powerful biological incinerators. Their entire purpose is to break down biological waste into raw materials that your cells can actually reuse productively. When autophagy is running at full capacity, these lysosomes are busy, efficient, and clearing debris continuously around the clock. But here is the molecular mechanism that determines whether this entire system runs or sits completely idle inside you. You know, every time you eat something, your pancreas releases insulin into your bloodstream to manage the incoming energy. Alongside insulin, a powerful cellular growth sensor known as mTOR awakens and starts broadcasting a very specific message. That signal commands every cell in your body to shift into building mode, storing mode, and growth mode immediately. And while mTOR broadcasts that signal, autophagy is chemically and completely impossible to activate simultaneously. These two biological states are mutually exclusive in the most absolute sense cellular biology allows. You cannot be in growth mode and cleaning mode at the same time, just as a city cannot build and demolish simultaneously. So, as long as insulin remains elevated in your bloodstream, your cellular cleaning crews are sitting on the bench, waiting. Now, here is where the biology becomes genuinely exciting for anyone ready to take control of this process. When you stop eating, insulin begins its slow, steady descent back toward its natural baseline. But as insulin drops, a completely different energy sensor awakens inside your cell zone with a very different agenda entirely. This sensor is called AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase. Think of it as your body's internal fuel gauge. When AMPK detects that external energy has stopped arriving, it fires an urgent signal across your entire cellular network. The message is clear: external fuel supply interrupted. Initiate internal recycling and activate the cleaning protocol immediately. mTOR stands down, insulin continues to fall, and the lysosomal cleaning crews finally receive their activation orders and get to work. Now here's something that genuinely surprises most people when they hear it for the very first time. You are already practicing a form of error. Upstream error 500. Message: encountered an unexpected error when processing the request. Please try again. Reason: null. The cleansing never cuts deep enough. The damage never gets fully repaired. And biological aging keeps piling up silently beneath the surface. Which brings us to the inevitable question: how long is long enough? How many hours must you fast before autophagy reaches a level that actually matters? Here's the hard truth. Those first 12 hours? You're essentially just burning through your glycogen reserves and clearing out insulin. Autophagy does begin to stir around hour 12, but it's still operating at a frustratingly shallow preliminary level. But the research consistently points to one specific window where the cellular cleansing process accelerates with dramatic, powerful force. That magic window falls somewhere between hour 14 and hour 16 of continuous fasting, with absolutely no caloric intake. This is precisely where the biology of intermittent fasting stops being a weight loss trend and becomes genuine cellular medicine. The most powerful and sustainable approach to hitting this window consistently is known as the 16-to-8 protocol. You commit to 16 uninterrupted hours of fasting, condensing all your meals into a tight 8-hour window each day. Now here's the precise timing that syncs this protocol with your body's natural circadian rhythm for maximum effect. Stop eating at 7 p.m., ideally finishing dinner with your family in a calm, unhurried atmosphere. Then let your body run its detox cycle through the night and into the next morning, completely undisturbed. Break your fast at 11 the following morning with your first deliberate, thoughtfully chosen meal of the day. That 4 to 6 hour stretch between 7 p.m. and 11 a.m. is precisely where the most potent autophagy takes place. Now, let's dive into what's truly unfolding deep within your body during those critical peak fasting hours in remarkable detail. The first transformation most people discover within that very first week is a gradual yet striking improvement in mental clarity. This occurs because autophagy aggressively clears a toxic protein known as amyloid beta from between your brain cells. Amyloid beta is the very same protein that accumulates into the plaques linked to memory decline and Alzheimer's disease. Your brain literally becomes less cluttered, and neurological communication between cells sharpens in measurable ways. The second powerful benefit works at the level of your skin and connective tissue in ways that no topical cream could ever replicate. Autophagy identifies and eliminates what scientists call senescent cells, aging cells that have stopped dividing yet refuse to die. These zombie cells unleash inflammatory signals that speed up visible aging, fuel joint pain, and ravage surrounding healthy tissue. But when autophagy clears them consistently, the regenerative cells that replace them are newer, more functional, and remarkably resilient. The third benefit strikes at one of the most widespread and underdiagnosed conditions plaguing modern populations today. Each fasting cycle grants your pancreas a crucial reprieve from the relentless burden of managing chronically elevated blood sugar. Insulin sensitivity begins to recover as your cells escape the bombardment of constant hormonal signals demanding glucose uptake. For those in pre-diabetic territory, consistent 6-to-8 fasting can measurably shift blood sugar markers back toward healthier ranges. The fourth benefit unfolds inside the microscopic power plants scattered throughout every single cell in your body. Your mitochondria, those remarkable organelles that transform nutrients into usable cellular energy, gradually age and degrade over time, like any machinery. But autophagy specifically targets damaged mitochondria through a specialized process called mitophagy, systematically clearing out the inefficient ones. Fresh mitochondria rise to take their place. The result? A genuine, noticeable surge in sustained daily energy levels. The fifth benefit operates deep within your immune system at a level of sophistication that defies scientific imagination. A specialized branch of autophagy called xenophagy hunts down intracellular pathogens, bacteria, and viruses that have managed to hide inside your cells. Your immune system cannot always reach these hidden invaders through conventional methods alone, but autophagy hunts them down from within. The sixth benefit guards something so microscopic, yet so vital, that most people have never even considered it: At the tip of every chromosome in every single cell of your body sits a protective cap called a telomere. Each time a cell divides, these caps shorten slightly, and their length is one of biology's most reliable markers of cellular aging. Consistent autophagy activation has been shown to reduce the oxidative stress that causes telomeres to shorten prematurely. The seventh benefit will matter enormously to anyone who exercises regularly and cares about their body composition and performance. Autophagy preferentially uses damaged proteins and stored body fat as its recycling fuel rather than burning your hard-earned muscle tissue. This means you can reduce body fat and purge cellular waste simultaneously without sacrificing the hard-earned lean mass you've built. The eighth benefit is perhaps the most profound, because it strikes at the very core of your biological age. When your cells are consistently cleared of waste, their internal communication sharpens, their energy production surges, and their function reaches new heights. Your biological age, the true functional age of your cells, regardless of what your birth certificate says, begins moving in a powerful direction. Now, during your fasting window, 3 specific beverages become your greatest allies. And the best part? They're all completely free. Plain water with a small pinch of sea salt maintains your electrolyte balance during extended fasting without triggering any insulin response. Black coffee, consumed without sugar, cream, or any sweetener whatsoever, has been shown to powerfully amplify autophagy signaling. And green tea, containing a potent compound called EGCG, is perhaps the single most powerful autophagy-enhancing beverage available to you. EGCG directly activates AMPK, the very same energy-sensing pathway that fasting triggers, essentially giving your cleaning cycle an extra powerful boost. When you finally reach your 11 a.m. eating window, the way you break your fast matters far more than most people realize. Opening with a rapid sugar hit fruit juice, cereal, or refined carbohydrates creates an immediate, sharp insulin spike. That spike halts autophagy instantly and aggressively, cutting your cellular cleaning cycle short before it reaches its full productive depth. Instead, open your eating window with high-quality protein and healthy fats to error. Upstream error 500. Message: encountered an unexpected error when processing the request. Please try again. Reason: null. Error. Upstream error 500. Message: encountered an unexpected error when processing the request. Please try again. Reason: null. Hidden Health Science wants to hear your answer in the comments section below. What's the longest you've ever gone without eating? And did you notice something different about how you felt? Maybe you experienced a surge of mental clarity around hour 14 or 15, without understanding why it was happening. Or perhaps a strange, unexpected calm settled over your body somewhere in the middle of a long fast. What you were experiencing in those moments wasn't hunger-induced delirium or low blood sugar playing tricks on your mind. It was your cellular cleaning crews finally reaching the deeper layers of accumulated damage, getting to work inside you. Your best doctor doesn't have a medical degree hanging on any wall in any building you've ever visited. Your best doctor lives inside every single cell of your body and has been waiting patiently for the right conditions. Give it 16 hours of uninterrupted quiet and watch what it does with that gift every single time. If this deep dive into the science behind autophagy gave you something truly valuable to take into your life today, hit that subscribe button now. Hidden Health Science will keep decoding exactly how your biology works at the root level, so you can make decisions that genuinely transform how you age. Drop your questions, your fasting milestones, and your experiences in the comments below. Let's figure this out together. See you in the next one.